निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हेत्वाभास है। कितने प्रकार के हेत्वाभास हैं? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ हेत्वाभास आर देयर? 5 टाइप्स। हाँ, व्हाट आर दे?
सव्यभिचार, सत्प्रतिपक्ष, असिद्ध,
बाधित। सव्यभिचार, विरुद्ध, सत्प्रतिपक्ष अथवा कोई भी असिद्ध, बाधित, ऐसे। सव्यभिचार, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स आर देयर इन सव्यभिचार? 3. Let me see who all are there so that I can ask. What are they?
साधारण, असाधारण,
साधारण, असाधारण, अनुपसंहारी। 3 टाइप्स आर देयर। ओके। साधारण क्या है? पक्ष, पक्ष वृत्तित्व सति साध्याभाववद वृत्ति ही। साध्य के दैट विच इज प्रेजेंट, दैट हेतु विच इज प्रेजेंट इन साध्य अभाव, साध्य अभाववद वृत्ति ही कहा हेतु। यह हेतु साध्य अभाववद वृत्ति स हेतु साधारणो अनैकांतिकः यथा पर्वतो वन्यमान प्रमेयत्वात्। दिस वाज द एग्जाम्पल गिवन। असाधारण अनैकांतिक, व्हाट इज द लक्षण? असाधारण अनैकांतिक इज सर्व सपक्ष विपक्ष व्यावृत्त। सपक्ष विपक्ष व्यावृत्त, दैट विच इज नॉट देयर इन सपक्ष, दैट विच इज नॉट देयर इन विपक्ष ऑल्सो, इट इज देयर ओनली इन पक्ष। पक्ष मात्र वृत्ति। This is asadharana anaikantika, and anupasambhari is अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहता है। So the question always comes, what is the difference between anupasambhari and asadharana anaikantika? Because they look the same. That which is not there in sapaksha, that which is not there in vipaksha, but only pakshamatra vritti is asadharana, and that for which you don't have अन्वय दृष्टांत, and that for which you don't have व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत, अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहित। अन्वय दृष्टांत will be there only if there is sapaksha, व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत will be there for vipaksha. So अन्वय व्यतिरेक दृष्टांत रहित is same. So yes, externally it looks the same only. Only thing you have to understand is where you don't get drishtanta, anvay drishtanta, vyatireka drishtanta, then they will call it as anupasamhari. And there where you don't get sapaksha vipaksha, you say it sounds the same, that's why they have given different example. Generally, you will probably will not be able to classify within savyavichara these two, asadharana and Anupasamhari. So whatever is Lakshana of Asadharana, same will be Lakshana for Anupasamhari also in general. We will see when the Drashtanta comes. Right now they gave the Drashtanta. Shabdo Nityaha Shabdatvat. Shabdo Nityaha Shabdatvat. Shabdatva is there only in Shabda. So it is not, there is no sapaksha for it, there is no vipaksha for it. Sapaksha, vipaksha, vyavruta. Now you try to here it says keval vyatireki varanaya tad bhinna iti api deyam. So keval vyatireki भिन्नत्वे सति सर्व सपक्ष विपक्ष व्यावृत्तः अपक्ष मात्र वृत्ति असाधारणः. Now this shabdo nitya shabdatvat, you use that in the next one. Anvaya vyatireka drashtanta rahitah. So in this shabdo nitya shabdatvat, anvay drashtanta is there? Is not there.
शब्दत्व में शब्द नहीं,
Because Shabdatva is in Paksha. Drashtanta has to be there in Sapaksha. So Anvay Drashtanta is not there. Vyatireka Drashtanta is there. Yan Naivam Tan Naivam. Yan Naivam Tan Naivam. There where there is no.
Sadhya.
So what is Sadhya Bhava here? Yad yad na nityam means yad yad anityam tat tat
न शब्दत्वम्.
यत्र यत्र अनित्यत्वम तत्र तत्र शब्दत्व अभावः. This such vyapti is there? Not there. Whatever is anityam, there shabdatva abhava is not there. But you can say यथा घट है, घट इज अनित्य, घट है शब्दत्व अभाव. सो यू गॉट सम दृष्टांत, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट पुटिंग इट इन द अनुपसंहारी. दे हैव गिवन दैट इन असाधारण. But sarvam anityam prameyatvat. In this,
we cannot come to conclusion.
there is no anvaya drashtanta, there is no vyatireka drashtanta. Sarvam anityam prameyatvat. Because in their darshan, so if you do this, yet what is the vyapti in sarvam anityam prameyatvat?
यत्र यत्र
प्रमेयत्वं तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वं. यत्र यत्र प्रमेयत्वं तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वं. This is the vyapti. Now this vyapti, where did you find? Because everything is paksha only. Whatever is prameya is paksha. What will be the vyatireka drishtanta here?
यत्र यत्र
First, what is the vyapti? Yatra yatra means yatra yatra nityatvam
तत्र तत्र अप्रमेयत्वम्.
tvam अप्रमेयत्वम. यत्र यत्र नित्यत्वम तत्र तत्र अप्रमेयत्वम. Now what is nityatvam for them? So they will say Akasha is nitya, Kala is nitya, Dik, Atma, Manah, Pancha, four Mahabhutas, Prithvi, Jal, Tej, Vayu, their Parmanu, they are nitya. But they are prameya. In their drishtanta, they are prameya. So, yatra yatra nityatvam, tatra tatra aprameyatvam, that vyapti is not there. in their case. Vyatireki Vyapti will not be there. So, here, because Vyatireki Vyapti is not there, Vyatireki Drashtant is not there, and Anvaya Drashtant is not there. Therefore, this example is only for Anvaya Vyatireki Drashtant Rahitya. So, such Vyapti itself is not there, then how will they give Drashtant? Okay, now we have to see next one, right? Here. Next one also, Moolam we had seen. विरुद्धः साध्य अभाव व्याप्तः हेतुः विरुद्धः यथा शब्दो नित्यः कृतकत्वात् घटवत्. This we had seen.
We saw this only after Siddhi and Swarupa Siddhi. Next. Asiddhi.
So what is viruddha? Sadhya abhava vyaptah hetu. Viruddha means if somebody says shabda is nitya kritakatvat, that kritakatva hetu is actually proving sadhya abhava. That is the viruddha. So virodhi of what your sadhya is. Next one we saw sadhya abhava sadhakam hetvantaram yasya sa sat pratipaksha. What is sat pratipaksha? Sadhya abhava sadhakam hetvantaram yasya. That hetu for which there is another hetu which will prove sadhya abhava, which will do siddhi of sadhya abhava. Sadhya abhavasya sadhakam hetvantaram yasya saha hetu sat pratipaksha. यथा शब्दो नित्यः श्रावणत्वात् शब्दत्ववत्, शब्दो अनित्यः कार्यत्वात् घटवत्. शब्द नित्य is there, its opposite hetu is also there, which will prove sadhya abhava. शब्दो नित्य is sadhya, nitya is sadhya. शब्दो अनित्य sadhya abhava, that hetu is there karyatvam. So therefore this is called viruddha or sat pratipaksha? Sat pratipaksha. Okay. Now let us read. आप पढ़िए पृष्ठ क्रमांक 74. हाँ, पदकृत्यम. सत्प्रतिपक्षम लक्षयति साध्य इति. सत्प्रतिपक्षम लक्षयति means now we are doing lakshanam of सत्प्रतिपक्ष साध्य इति. हाँ, read further.
यस्य हेतु साध्य भाव साधकम साध्य भाव
साध्याभावस्य अनुमापकम
अनुमापकम हेतुवंतरः प्रतिपक्षो हेतु विद्यते स हेतु सत् प्रतिपक्ष इत्यर्थः.
एक मिनट. यस्य हेतु हो साध्याभाव साधकम साध्याभावस्य अनुमापकम हेत्वंतरम. साध्याभाव साधकम means that hetu, hetvantaram means anya hetu. अन्यः हेतुः हेत्वंतरः. दूसरा हेतु, another hetu is there. One hetu is there which is doing sadhya siddhi according to you. There is another hetu which will do sadhya abhava siddhi. So it is sadhya abhava sadhakam. Sadhya abhava sadhakam means sadhya abhavasya anumapakam. It is synonym. Shabdartha is given. Sadhya abhava sadhakam means sadhya abhava sadhakam means what? साध्याभावस्य अनुमापकम. Everybody clear this one? साध्याभाव, हाँ, साध्याभाव साधकम means साध्याभावस्य अनुमापकम. Only this much you understood or not? साध्याभाव साधकम means साध्याभावस्य अनुमापकम. हेतुअंतरम यस्य विद्यते, that hetu which has this hetu antaram, which will do sadhya abhava siddhi, sadhya abhava sadhakam hetu antaram, that hetu, what it will be called? Sat pratipaksha. So see, hetu A is doing siddhi of Vanni, let us say. Vanni. Hetu B is doing siddhi of Vanni abhava. Which hetu is Sat Pratipaksha? Hetu A or Hetu B?
Hetu B means sadhya abhava siddhi.
Okay, see, again you pay attention. Hetu A is doing Vanni siddhi. Hetu B is doing Vanni abhav siddhi. Which hetu is Sat Pratipaksha? See the Lakshana and tell me. See, Hetu A is called Hetu. Hetu B will be called Hetu Antara. Yasya Hetu Antaraha Saha Sat Pratipaksha. Yasya Hetu Antara Saha Hetu. See, technically both are called Sat Pratipaksha. One Hetu does Vanni Siddhi, another Hetu does Vanni Abhav. So second hetu is Sat Pratipaksha of the first one, right? And first one is Sat Pratipaksha of. So which one is Sat Pratipaksha?
Both are Sat Pratipaksha.
But here the Lakshana is for the first one. Jiska, that which has Pratipakshi is called one with Sat Pratipaksha, one with Pratipaksha. So that is called Sat Pratipaksha. Sat means Vidyamana, right? Sat means existing, Vidyamana. Vidyamanaha Pratipaksho Yasya Saha Sat Pratipaksha. That which has opponent Pratipaksha existing is called Sat Pratipaksha. So Hetu A has opposite Hetu. So Hetu A is having Pratipaksha. That's why Hetu A will be called Sat Pratipaksha. Hetu B also has Pratipaksha A. Therefore Hetu B also will be called Sat Pratipaksha. Yasya Hetoho, now you see, Yasya Hetoho, that Hetu for which Sadhya Abhava Sadhakam Hetuantaram. Hetuantaram means Pratipaksho Hetu. Hetuantaram means not any Hetu, Pratipaksha Hetu, Virodhi Hetu, which will do Sadhya Abhava Siddhi, Saha Vidyate. Then that Hetu will be called Sat Pratipaksha, means first one. First one has a opposite Hetu, which will do another Siddhi, Sadhya Abhav Siddhi. Therefore, first Hetu is called Sat Pratipaksha, because he already has an opponent. Sat Pratipaksha means opponent wala. The one who already has opponent. Yes.
So Guruji, here it is given Sadhya Abhava Sadhakam. So Sadhya Abhava word is given. So shouldn't we, my doubt is like only the second Hetu is doing Sadhya
So if
sadhya the hetu.
if it is doing sadhya abhava of the first one,
Okay.
right? So first one has a pratipaksha. Second one is pratipaksha.
That way it is.
So which one is sat pratipaksha?
One will be the Satya.
You just say first or second. Which one is sat pratipaksha?
First one is Satpratipaksh.
First one. First one is called sat pratipaksha because he already has a pratipaksha opponent.
But your sadhya word is given.
So first one is doing siddhi of Vanni. What is the sadhya? Vanni. Second one, second hetu is doing siddhi of Vanni abhava. Okay. So yasya sadhya abhava sadakam hetvantaram vidyate saha sat pratipaksha. Everybody saw what I did? Yasya sadhya abhava sadakam hetwant. This will do sadhya siddhi. This will do sadhya abhava sadakam hetvantaram saha sat pratipaksha. Saha is called sat pratipaksha. But same definition you can use for this one also. This is Vanni. This is Vanni abhava. Vanni abhava abhava is Vanni. So then yasya sadhya abhava sadakam pratipaksham vidyate saha sat pratipaksha. So for this also that definition will apply. It will apply for both. साध्य अभावनुमापकम हेतुअंतरम प्रतिपक्षो हेतु विद्यते स हेतु प्रतिपक्ष सत् प्रतिपक्षः इत्यर्थः.
अयमेव प्रकरणसम इति उच्यते.
This Sat Pratipaksha has another name also. What is its name? Prakarana Sama. So, but this is not much used, okay? But that name is there. Tikakar says this is also called as Prakarana Sama. Prakarana Sama means whatever is the Prakarana of this is also similar one. It will just do opposite siddhi, that's all. Prakarana Sama. Read further.
विरुद्ध वारणाय यत्वन्तरं यस्येति.
Now,
in Viruddha, this is trying to point out the difference, to separate the difference between Viruddha and Sat Pratipaksha. In the case of Viruddha, he is proving Sadhya Bhava. One and same Hetu. Versus in Sat Pratipaksha, Hetvantar. So a different Hetu is proved. So this difference is pointed out by saying Viruddha Bhava.
between Viruddha and Sat Pratipaksha, so what is the difference between these two Hetu Abhasa? In Viruddha, same Hetu will do Sadhya Siddhi and Sadhya Abhava Siddhi, same Hetu. And here Hetu Antaram, another Hetu is there. Like in the previous one, if you see in the Viruddha, the Drashtanta was Shabdo Nitya Kritakatvat, right? But Kritakatvam actually is proving Anityatvam. So Sadhya Abhava. That's why Kritakatva Hetu is called Viruddha. It is a Viruddha Hetu for your Sadhya Siddhi. Whereas in Sat Pratipaksha, one Hetu is proving Sadhya, another Hetu is proving Sadhya Abhava. That's why in the Lakshana, Sadhya Bhava Sadakam Hetvantaram is given. So that's why Viruddha Varanaya. Viruddha Varanaya means in Viruddha Ativyapti Varanaya Hetvantaram Yasya. That is added. So now we are not talking of the same Hetu, another Hetu. Another hetu is there only in Sat Pratipaksha. Another hetu is not there in Viruddha. वन्यादि वारणाय साध्याभाव इति. वन्यादि वारणाय साध्याभाव.
There are two more words in this book.
What are they?
वाह्यादि साध्ये धूमस्य वारणाय साध्य इति अभावः.
वन्यादि
साध्ये
साध्ये
धूमस्य वारणाय.
वन्यादि साध्ये धूमस्य वारणाय साध्य अभाव इति.
साध्येति अभाव इति च.
Okay, we'll just read this, we'll use this reading first, but you will understand that other meaning also along with it. For Vanni Siddhi, pay attention, this is little off. The previous one was slightly easier. This is Vanyadi Varanaya. Vanni is Sadhya. Vanni Sadhya is done with the Sadhetu, Dhuma. Vanni Siddhi can be done with Dhuma. Is there any other Hetu by which you can do Vanni Siddhi? Hetuantaram. My main point of thinking here is Hetuantaram, because here the whole definition revolves on Hetuantaram, another Hetu. So now if you have another Hetu which is Sadhetu, just as Dhuma is Sadhetu, if for Vanni Siddhi, if there is another Hetu which is also Sadhetu, Sadhetu means it is not Avasa, it is actual, then just because in Vanni Siddhi there is Hetu Antara, somebody will think because it is doing Hetu Antara Siddhi, this also is Sat Pratipaksha. That's why they have given Sadhya Abhava. Hetu Antara, which does Sadhya Siddhi, is not considered as Sat Pratipaksha. Hetu Antara, which will do Sadhya Abhava Siddhi, only that Hetu will be called Sat Pratipaksha. This statement you understood, I will repeat. Another Hetu, Hetu Antaram, if it does the Siddhi of Sadhya, then that Hetu is not called Sat Pratipaksha. One Hetu is doing Sadhya Siddhi, another Hetu also can do Sadhya Siddhi. So then it is not called Sat Pratipaksha. But if another Hetu does Sadhya Abhava Siddhi, then only it will be called Sat Pratipaksha. So that's why what is given? Vanyadi Varanaya Sadhya Abhava iti. Or Vanyadi, what is that? Vanyadi Sadhya.
साध्ये धूमस्य वारणाय साध्येति अभावेति.
In Vanni Siddhi, Dhuma is there. What is the other Hetu for Vanni Siddhi? Aloka, Prakash. Let's say I am here, far I see some light is there in the night, right? In the night I may not be able to see Dhuma, but I can see light. You say, there is Vanni. So, yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra Vanni. Yatra yatra alokaha tatra tatra Vanni. This also is possible. Now electricity and all there, but otherwise in the olden days. So there, Hetu Antar is there. Hetu Antar also is doing Vanni Siddhi, Sadhya Siddhi, not Sadhya Abhav Siddhi. So just because there is Hetu Antara, if you don't add Sadhya Abhava in Lakshana, instead of saying Sadhya Abhava Sadhakam Hetu Antaram Yasya Saha Sat Pratipaksha, if the Lakshana was given Sadhakam, Sadhya Sadhakam, not Sadhya Abhava Sadhakam, let's say Sadhya Sadhakam Hetu Antaram Yasya Saha Sat Pratipaksha, then one Hetu does Sadhya Siddhi, another Hetu also does Sadhya Siddhi. So you say, this is Sat Pratipaksha. So to avoid that, sadhya abhava is added. Like more simple example in Vedanta, how we use drishyatva hetu will do siddhi of mithyatva. Parichinnatva hetu will also do siddhi of mithyatva. So drishyatva mithyatva, parichinnatva mithyatva. So you say hetu antar is there, sat pratibhaksha. It is not sat pratibhaksha. Why it is not sat pratibhaksha? It is not proving satyatvam. Mithyatva opposite it is not proving. It is proving same sadhya. Therefore, it is not considered sat pratibhaksha. So here, vanyadi varanaya. There is slightly some other reading also in some books. Vanyadi dhuma sadhya dhumasya varana. In vanyadi sadhya, dhuma also will become sat pratibhaksha. Actually, dhuma is sad hetu, but lakshana will go there. Therefore, you have to add sadhya abhava. Okay. So you see these things, if we have understood, there is no problem. Sometimes we may not recollect quickly, but we have understood what is viruddha, what is sat pratibhaksha, etc. Okay, now asiddhi. Asiddhas trividah, ashraya siddhah, स्वरूपा सिद्धो व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धश्चेति सिद्धः स्वरूपा सिद्धो व्याप्यत्वा सिद्धश्चेति. असिद्ध हेतु इज ऑफ 3 types. आश्रया सिद्ध, स्वरूपा सिद्ध, व्याप्यत्वा सिद्ध. And sometimes if they ask asiddhi, so it is the same. Hetu is called asiddha. What is the result of that asiddha hetu is asiddhi. So it will become ashraya siddhi, swarupa siddhi, vyapyatva siddhi. Okay? First you just understand, then we will see the definitions. Ashraya siddhi means there where, see what is the ashraya of Anumana? Paksha. Paksha is called ashraya. If Paksha itself is asiddha, then you cannot do Anumana. If Paksha itself is not proven to be existing, then how will you do Anumana? If I say Vandhya putro वीरहा युद्ध सामग्रीत्वात्, Vandhyaputra is Veera Purusha. Why? Because he has Yuddha Samagri. Now, what is the Paksha? There is no such Vandhyaputra itself. What? You go on proving something about Vandhyaputra. So, where Paksha itself is Asiddha, it is called Ashraya Siddhi. Swarupa Siddhi means in Anumana you need Hetu in Paksha. Paksha is proved, but let's say Hetu is not there in Paksha. You can't proceed. There is no Anumanam possible if in Paksha Hetu is not there. So Paksha Hetu Abhava Swarupa Siddhi. This is simple. If you want to say Hrido Vanniman Dhumatvat, Dhumavatvat. In Hrida Dhuma is not there, forget about Anumana. So this is also simple. In Paksha, if Hetu is not there, Paksha Hetu Abhava Swarupa Siddhi. Paksha itself is Asiddha, Ashraya Siddhi. Okay, the two are gone. Third one now. Vyapyatva Siddhi. This Vyapti is a problematic Vyapti. So if I say Yatra Yatra Vanni Tatra Tatra Dhumaha, means Vanni is Hetu, sadhana. Now you have to remember sadhana word also. Vanni is sadhana. And what is sadhya? Dhuma. Dhuma is the sadhya. For dhuma sadhya, vanni hetu. For dhuma sadhya, vanni hetu is asiddha. This vyapti is not siddha. Vyapyatva siddhi. But how they prove this? First, just try to listen only. When we say yatra yatra vannihi tatra tatra dhumaha, okay, this vanni hetu is proving dhuma only because there where vanni is, some water is also there in that firewood. Log is there, log of wood. If it is wet, then as soon as vanni is there, smoke will come out. So vanni hetu for dhuma sadhya siddhi is because there is some additional condition which makes this vyapti possible. But this vyapti is only conditional vyapti. Whereas yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vanni is unconditional vyapti. Vanni, if it is there, dhuma has to be there. This is possible only when the water is there in the indhana. It is called ardra indhana sanyoga. The indhana is ardra, means there is lot of moisture in that. But in ayogolaka, there is no water. There is no ardra indhana. So therefore, there vanni can be there, but smoke will not be there in the iron ball, hot iron ball. Ardra indhana sanyoga is not there in ayogolaka. So this is called, this much you understood, right?
Yes.
This is vyapyatva siddhi. In this way, 3 asiddhis are there. Now this vyapyatva siddhi is called upadhi. Another name for vyapyatva siddhi is upadhi. So they say in this anumana, dhumavan vanne, there is ardra indhana sanyoga upadhi. Now what is that ardra indhana sanyoga? That we will, upadhi definition is there, okay, but first just let us proceed further. At least one we will do, right? I will just read, you will just listen. Ashraya siddho. What is ashraya siddhi? Yatha gaganarvindam surabhi aravindatvat sarojarvindavat gaganarvindam surabhi. The sky lotus is very fragrant. Why? Because it is lotus. Like the lotus in the lake. Lotus in the lake is very fragrant. So lotus in the sky also is fragrant. But the question is, where is lotus in the sky? There are no lotuses in the sky. So Gaganarvinda itself is asiddha. The ashraya itself is nasti. Atra Gaganarvindam ashraya sa nasti eva. This is why it is called ashraya siddhi. And swarupa siddhi is, if I do this anumanam, swarupa siddho yatha shabdo gunaha chakshushatvat. Shabda is guna because it is chakshusha. So chakshushatvam is not there in shabda. Shabda is never known through chakshurindriya. So chakshushatva is not there in shabda, means hetu is not there in paksha. Pakshe hetu abhava. In paksha hetu is not there. that is given. Atra chakshushatvam shabde nasti. Shabdasya shravanatva. In shabda shravanatva is there. Chakshushatva is not there. So these two are simple. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.